Hi, it's Dan Lesniak from the Orange Line Living Team and broker at Optime Realty, which is also home to the Carrie Scholl team. In today's Ask the Agent question, I'm answering a question that we've had several sellers ask about how to have a great open house and if they should have an open house. And first of all, you definitely should have open houses. It's especially important when it's a new listing in the first couple weeks, and anytime you maybe having to do a price drop, which does happen sometimes, not often. It's a good idea to have one after that. But in general, you want to do them. Even though more and more buyers are finding their homes online, open houses are becoming even more important. 90% of buyers do find their house online first, but that's only the first place they see it. And of course, they want to see it before they make an offer, and many times they're able to do that at an open house after they first find it online. So one of the keys to having great open houses is make sure that you've got a great online presence. So our team pays tons and tons of money every month to have outstanding advertising and placement online. So we've got great SEO for our websites. We're premier agents on Zillow and do a ton of marketing on Zillow and Trulia. We do AdWords searches, social media ads. So our online advertising is second to none. And you want to make sure you have that for your open house. Second thing you want to make sure you have is lots of signs. You want to make it easy for people to see. Put this directional signs, or make sure your agent is doing them at busy intersections and places where people walk by. If it's a condo building or a house that has some type of guarded access or security box, you want to make sure that the agent has contact information down there so people aren't stuck outside the building, and that they easily know how to dial the agent and get access. So you want to make it easy for people to get there. Now, getting them there is only half the battle. You of course need the home to look and feel great, so you want to make sure that you've got it picked up and tidy, decluttered, everything put away. You want all the lights on in the house. You want to make it look as bright and open as possible. You also want to make sure that the closets and storage spaces don't look full. You don't want buyers to think that, oh my gosh, there's not enough room and everything for all my stuff here. So decluttering the open spaces is important, but it's also important to do that in storage spots. Those are some of the basics to having a great open house. It's also important to make sure you've got a really great, knowledgeable agent in there to help buyers answer questions, help sell them on the benefits of the house, and you want to make sure that they're focused on benefits, not features. And that's an important distinction. A feature is what something is, an extra room, an outdoor space. A benefit is what it actually gives you. So an area for your kids to play, or the ability to spend time out and enjoy outdoors. So you want to make sure that they can sell benefits. So those are some of the great keys. If you have any more questions about that, or want us to help you have a great open house, please reach out to us. If you have any other questions for our Ask the Real Estate Agent segment, we'd love to help you. So give us a call or send us your questions. Thanks a lot.